Deep in the Amazon, the forest hides its ancient mountains.
Influence viaducts, ventilasably above. This pathway is
Every inch is measured to ensure a safe connection above the canopy. Strong foundations anchor the future bridge into the mountains. The bridge's skeleton begins to rise over the forest. Each plank connects the mountains, bridging the wild. From the bridge, the path climbs, carving through rugged terrain. Safety is built into every plank, every rope, every anchor. A path now stretches across, linking peaks above the forest. Above the canopy, human ingenuity meets untamed wilderness.